G'day. Well, after testing the ego on the Chaps, I need to clean it. So this is going to be a little, I guess, kind of instruction video on how to do it if you've ever done this before, or if you do this, I recommend not doing it. But if you have an accident and do this, then we're going to learn together today because I've never done it before. So we'll see what the process is on how to get it all out. Okay, so first step, take the brake off and then undo. Oh, it's actually a slightly different size than the. This is the still combi wrench for the 194, and the ego combi wrench is quite a lot smaller than this. As in, it's only like half the size. So I thought I'd use this, but the nut is actually slightly bigger. So good to know. So here it is. It's just all, yeah, stuck. Guess we'll take the chain and bar off. So far, so good. It's really wound up there. All the way in there. I am going to have to take the clutch off. You can see just how much these things actually fall out. Well, the clutch comes off. So, got the circlip ties. It's really simple, just a little circlip in there. And then don't lose the circlip. Simple as that. Mate. So, it's all free. That is wrapped up. That's a good ruler length of fibers that have come out. Just to stop chainsaw from cutting your leg off. Anyway, it's pretty simple. Yeah, just take the clutch off and sweet as. Well, thanks for watching this instructional video, if you will. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, stay safe, don't cut your leg, always wear chaps or pants.